Welcome back. So we are in the build and we are going to upload the App Store credentials on BrewmyApp build. So let's start with the Android credentials. Here it's very simple in 4 steps. First, you need a Firebase console account. So just Google it, Firebase console. You can click on firebaseconsole.google.com and click on go to console. Now here you can either see this screen, or maybe if you don't have any project, they might ask you for some project name to enter. You just need to enter the app name and click on a project. So maybe this screen is appearing on your side. So I'll go with the same name. Click on continue. I'll disable the Gemini. I'll also disable the Google Analytics. Click on create project. Click on continue. Now our project is created. We just need to upload the Android app. So I'll copy the package name, click on add app, Android, add the package name, register app, now you have to save this google-services.json file and we have to upload it. So please save in some particular folder. I'll save it in a folder in downloads. Click on next and continue to console. Now I'll upload that Google service file. Perfect. The next step is to upload the service account key. So it's very easy. We have to go into settings, service accounts. Click on generate new private key. Click on generate key. Save it inside that same folder. And I'll recommend you to keep this and upload it. So please save this file somewhere in your folders. Okay, now our push notification for Android is completed. The next step is to add iOS credentials. So we'll continue with iOS credentials in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.